If you're exhausted and running on empty, you deserve this time and space for yourself to go through this gentle flow to help you restore, recover, and feel a lot more like yourself. When you're ready, let's get started in a tabletop position. Your shoulders stacked over the wrists, hips stacked over the knees. We'll take gentle cat-cows on an inhale. Lower the belly, gaze forward. Exhale, cat. Round the spine, pull the shoulder blades apart. Inhale, belly lowers, gaze forward. Exhale, cat. Round spine, press the ground away. Inhale, cow. Belly lowers, shine the heart forward. Exhale, cat. Draw belly button to spine, tuck the chin. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. And take a few rounds at your own pace and invite in any other organic movements that feel good in your body. You can roll the ribs around, draw them up to the right, lower left. Switch directions. If you're doing something on one side, make sure you do it on the other. Just move at your own pace with the rhythm of your own breath. There is no right or wrong. Just take any movements that feel nourishing and good in your body. Take 2 more rounds of breath wherever you are. And when you're ready, we'll meet back in a neutral tabletop position. Bring your knees wide, heels together, child's pose. Your hips sit back towards your heels any amount. They don't have to reach all the way. You don't need to push or force anything. Just gently rest your forehead down to the ground. Rock your forehead gently from side to side. Take a big, nourishing breath in through the nose. Exhale, release all the way out. Big breath in, fill up through the belly, feel belly press on thighs. Exhale, side out. Gently rock your hips from left to right, gently massaging out the low spine. Crawl your fingertips all the way up towards the top of mat. Find a long spine. Crawl your hands over to the right side. Left hand gently plants on top of right. Getting a nice side stretch in our left side body. We'll take a big breath in. Can you send your breath into your left side ribs? Exhale, release. Take a big breath in. Find space and expansiveness in your left side body. Exhale, empty. Crawl your fingertips through center over to the left side. Right hand plants on top of left. Take a big breath in. Fill up in your right side ribs. Exhale, release. Sit your hips lower. Big breath in. Find space in your right side body. Exhale, empty. Gently crawl your hands back to center. Press up into a tabletop position. Move into a comfortable, easy seat. Extend your right leg out long. Your left foot presses into your right inner thigh. Flex your right toes, engage your right leg. On an inhale, we'll sweep the arms up. Exhale, right hand to right foot, getting a nice side stretch in our left side body. And your hand doesn't have to reach all the way to your foot. Just move into any position that feels good and comfortable for your body. You don't have to push or force anything. And take a big, nourishing breath in. Exhale, release. Inhale to sit up tall. Switch out the legs. Right foot to left inner thigh. Flex your front left toes. Inhale, sweep the arms up, sit up tall. Exhale, left hand reaches towards left foot. Side stretch in the right side body. Again, you don't have to push or force anything. Just let your body settle into anywhere that feels good. Take a big, nourishing breath in, fill up. Exhale, empty. Take a big inhale, sit up tall. And exhale, hands can rest on your legs, thighs. Bring your left foot in to a comfortable, easy seat. You can sit cross-legged or kneeling over the legs, whichever is feeling good in your body today. Begin to feel your sit bones ground down into the earth. And notice where your legs meet the mat. Just grounding down into the earth. Shoulders stacked over the hips. Inhale, bring your shoulders up. Exhale, shoulder blades back and down. Feel palms resting face down gently on your knees or thighs. Soft gaze down past tip of nose. Close the eyes if it feels comfortable. Tuck your chin slightly. Crown reaches up. We'll take 3 rounds of nourishing breath together to close out our practice. First, exhale all the air out of your mouth. Big breath in through the nose. Exhale, empty, sigh it out. Take a big, nourishing breath in. Exhale, release. Big breath in, fill up with gratitude. Exhale, sigh. Take a moment to check in with your mind, body. Notice how you're feeling after some intentional breath and movement. Gently blink the eyes open. I hope you found some time and space for yourself to rest, recover, get in some gentle movements. I hope you're feeling restored and a lot more like yourself. Great work today. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy. I'll see you in the next class.